Okay, now once this is smart grammar of English actually right now we are on the way to this smart the given units of measurement with their possibilities. Under column A with column B. A pile of you must have do. You must have do. A pile of books. A pint of a pint. A pint of weighty. Yoin abita. A blade listen. Yes, listen. A blade of grass. A pinch ስንል ለምሳሌ ቁንጥጫም ሊሆን ይችላል መቆንጠጥ ሊሆን ይችላል እንድቻለው ጭብጥ አድርገህ ትንሽ ጨው a pinch of salt a branch of እውቀት knowledge ሳይባል knowledge ሳይባል a branch of knowledge uncountable noun ስለሆነ knowledge ሳይባል a branch of knowledge ስለዚህ ምንድነው B a brick ማለት ቁም ማለት ነው ግን የወርቅ ቅርጽ ስታዩት ወርቅ ቅርጽ ምንድነው እነዚህ አይነት ነው ስለዚህ a brick of gold F. Thank you for watching this video. Like you know that this mega help you. Don't forget like, share, follow, and that is not that. Goodbye.